So today I'm about to show you how to create an AI financial assistant using N8N. First, open your N8N canvas and drag in a advanced AI agent node. Connect an OpenAI or Atrophic chat model to provide the core reasoning brain, and link a window buffer memory node to track context across follow-up queries. Next, you need to ground your assistant with real-time financial data. Search for the financial modeling prep node or drop an HTTP request node into the AI agent's tool slot. Configure the tool to hit a trusted market API like Alpha Vantage or Yahoo Finance, allowing the agent to fetch stock data on command. Finally, write a strict system prompt in your AI agent node. Type, act as an elite quantitative financial analysis. Use the market tools to fetch live stock prices and financial statements before answering any questions. Never guess or hallucinate financial metrics. And that's it. That's how to create an AI financial assistant using N8N. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.